Hello students, in this video I'll give you the shortcut trick to find out the fractional form of the non-terminating recurring decimals. In the first phase you will find the complete process. So watch the video till the end for the shortcut trick. So welcome to my channel Soumya Sir's Parshala.
So here I have written three questions. Actually, this is of three varieties. Total three varieties of questions are there to convert from the non-terminating rational decimal numbers to rational numbers. The first one is 0.6 bar. Let us first solve this one. So here 0.6 bar can be written as, suppose we have taken as x is equal to 0.6 bar, which x is equal to again can be represented as 0.666 dot dot dot, means 6 is being repeated to infinite number of places. Then we can take, actually one rule is there for equation 1 and for equation 2. First of all I am writing that then we will solve how to find out equation 1 and equation 2. So here children, the equation, and which one will be equation 1, if the point value or the decimal means point is present before the bar, means where the number is started repeating before that, if the point is present, then we can say this is equation 1, right? And equation 2 is what? The exactly opposite, means after the means recurring places, if the point is present after that, then we can say this is equation 2. So here x is, we have already I have already given the example over here. The point must be kept before the decimal, before the bar. So here bar is upon 6, so point is already placed before 6, so we can take this one is equation 1, right? And according to the rule I said, equation 2 becomes which one? The point must after 6. So what to be multiplied with x to jump one, means this decimal place, 1 place, right? Obviously 10. So here if I'll multiply 10x, then after multiplying 10 with x, point will jump to the right side but 1 place, because is having one number of 0 only. So it is coming how much? 6.66. So since infinite number of 6 are over here, I can write another 6 also, because infinite number of 6 is there, right? So next we need to do what? Subtracting equation 1 subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we got what? See children, first of all, in case of subtraction we need to subtract the LHS, similarly with the RHS also. So here what we get? 10x minus x is equal to 6.666 minus 0.666, like that, right? So here in the LHS I got what? 10x minus x, that is 9x. And in the RHS I got, see, after point, after decimal value, infinite number of 6 are there. Here also after decimal value, infinite numbers 6 are also there. So by subtracting I got 6 minus 0 is 6. Then x is 9 is multiplied over here in the LHS, to be divided over there. Then I got what? By just reducing to the lowest term, I got 3 2s are 3 3s are. Therefore 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 3. Got it? The very important thing we need to put in our mind, that before the bar, if the point is there, that must be the equation 1, and we to find out equation 2, I need to transfer the point after the bar, means after the number or decimal place which is being repeated, right? Next, coming to the question number 2. Question number 2. So same thing, let x is equal to 2.13 bar. As I have already mentioned the question, this one is the question 2.13 bar. So first of all I need to write this 2.13 bar in the form of repeated decimal, right? So I can write x is equal to 2.13, again 13, again 13, several times 13 I can write, because These are being repeated. Suppose I have repeated thrice. Then this one will be the equation 1 or not? As I have given the formula over here, the point must be present before the bar, then it will be equation 1. So here children, before the bar means 1 and 3 is being repeated. Before 1 the point is there, that's why this is equation 1, right? And next my target is to find out equation 2. And what will be equation 2? That is the point should be transferred after the bar. After the bar means over here children, here two places are being repeated. So here the point must be transferred after 3. 2 means to the place after 3. So here two places to be jumped means what to be multiplied? Obviously 100. So if I'll multiply 100x over here, then point 2 will be transferred after 3. That will be 213.13 and 13. And one more time also we can write 13 because infinite number of 13s are there, right? The same thing, subtracting equation. This time in the shortcut I am writing equation 2 minus equation 1. So by subtracting, what did I get? 100x minus x. Children, LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. So I can write 100x minus x is equal to 213 minus 2, right? Because the decimal numbers I have already cancelled. 100 minus 1 is 99, so obviously 99x is equal to 211, right? So x is equal to how much, children? 211 by 99, right? And if you want to convert into the mixed fraction, you can convert 2 whole, that is 13 by 99. Therefore 2.13 bar is equal to 2 whole 13 by 90. Next, coming to the third question. The third variety of this type of question, that is the question was 0.3 but the bar is upon 43 only. So we need to take let x is equal to this much. So you assume x is equal to how much? 0. Obviously we need to write in the repeated form, means 0.1. Then who are being repeated over here? 4 and 3, right? So 4 3 4 3 like that. Suppose I am writing twice only. So first of all we need to decide whether this can be equation 1 or not. Children, once again I am showing you over here this formula that I have already said you. The point must be kept before the repeating digit, right? Before the repeating digit. So here which one is the repeating digit? 4 and 3. So I need to transfer the point after the 1, or we can say before the 4. Means one place to play means to be the point should be transferred to the right up to one place, right? So we need to multiply what? Obviously 10. So 10x is equal to 1.4343 twice I have repeated, right? So this is equation 1. Next, coming to equation 2, the same thing. I'm showing you this formula once again. The point must be kept after the repeated digit or after the bar, I have already said, right? So here children, we need to compare x. We are not going to compare this one. So x is over here 0.143. The point is over here before 1. I need to transfer this point after 3, or we can say we need to make a jump of 3 decimal places, right? So 3 decimal places means what to be multiplied? Obviously 1 3 zeros means 1000x. So if you are multiplying 1000x, then point will be transferred over here to after 3. So comparing this one, so point will be transferred to over here, means after 3, that is 143.43, right? But after that 43, infinite number of 43s are there. So I'm writing once more another 3 I'm writing and dot 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 giving, and this is equation 2, right? The same formula, that is equation 2 minus equation 1 we are going to do, that is 1000 minus 10, that is how much? 990x, right? Is equal to same thing 143 minus 1, because the after decimal places this infinite number of 43 and here also infinite number of 43s are there, so this cancelled. 143 minus 1 is 142, right? So x is equal to how much we are getting? 142 divided by 990. So by cancelling means converting the reduced term, I got 71 by 495. right? Therefore, this 0.143, the bar is upon 43 is equal to 71 by 495. Along with that, I would like to give you the shortcut, children. Suppose 2.13, okay, writing shortcut. This can be useful those who are preparing for means if it is coming for MCQs, multiple choice questions, if it is coming this kind of question, because in CBSE this kind of questions are coming for standard 9. So if 2.13 this kind of questions like that, for the whole number I would like to write 2 whole, then after that decimal, what are the number of means how many digits are there, we need to write in the numerator, divided by, the trick is there, how many digits are repeated after decimal places. For each decimal, if each repeated decimal place I means 1 9 will be given, right? So here 2 places are there repeated, so 2 nines are there. So this is the answer, 2 whole 13 by 19. So here also we got the same answer, right? The trick. Next, this is the second one. First one will do. Is given 0.6 bar. So 0.6 bar means no whole number is there. So directly I am writing 6. Then by one number is repeated, one digit is repeated. That's why 1 9 only. So by converting the lowest term, I got 3 2s are 3 3s are. Next, the third one. Third one is 0.143. I am writing over here 0.143. The bar is upon 43. So here no integral part is there. So whatever the number is written after the decimal place, I want to write in the numerator. Then children, what to do? Then we need to subtract what? Which digit is not repeated. So here 1 is not repeated, so minus 1 divided by, from the right side we need to check how many digits are repeated. 2 digits are repeated, so 2 9, and for each non repeated digit I means 1 0, right? So here this is the answer, that is 142 by 990. Again this one becomes the same, right? So after just converting the lowest term we can find out this answer, that is 71 by 495. Once again I am repeating, children, 2 digits were repeated, that's why 2 9, and 1 digit was not repeated, that's why 1 0, right? And since 1 digit not repeated, 143 minus 1 was there. But here children 2.13 bar, so 1 3 both are repeated, so numerator contains 1 3 and 1 3 both are repeated, 2 digits are repeated, means 299 is means is there in the denominator, and this 2 is the integral part, so 2 whole 13 by 9. But here 0.6 bar was there, so 6 by 9, this is the answer.